Welcome back to Game & Legend. What's up, guys? It's my first video, and today we're gonna be unboxing this crown. Look at all the Pokemons on here. A lot, so let's go start unboxing. I'll be right back at ya once I get everything going, open it and stuff, bro. Okay, so we're gonna get the first one. Look at this mat. We got a Pokemon mat to play Pokemon on, bro. So we got. Look at this. It's satisfying, eh? Very satisfying. And look at this. Look at this. What the heck? Yep. We got a mat unboxing this. Hold that back up. This is my desk. Oh, I forgot to show you my desk setup, guys. Look at my desk. The Mario's holding you guys up. Yeah. Got my markers, draw, my alarm clock. It's kind of a normal desk. Guys, yeah. So yeah, that's my desk setup. Now let's open the Pokemon. I'm really hoping for. I have a collection. So look at this first card. Boom. It's a Crown Zenith card. Well, most of them are Crown Zenith card because it's a Crown Zenith pack, right? I would think that, bro. So we're gonna pack it. Pack the Pokemon card. Right, so we got. So look what we got. We don't need this green card. Just throw it over there. So first, we got a bunch of trainers, bro. I don't really think they're good, but I keep them as my collection. That's over here. So next haul, I have one of these. Got a double. This was used to be one of my most favorite Pokemon until I got Charizard. Bro. Charizards are rare. And then I got the Lost Vacuum. The Lost Vacuum. I finally found my vacuum. And then we got a V-Star. I don't know what that is. A Snorlax. My favorite. Oh, I didn't show you that. Snorlax, bro. Snorlax. We got the rare candy. The Tangela, and then we got the Rockruff. Yeah, the Rockruff. You know what I'm talking about? The Rockruff is an insane Pokemon, bro. Get the pack out of here. We put in garbage down here. Yeah, I have a garbage. Whatever, I'll show you that in my desk setup. We got, the Snorunt. No, I don't really like that one. Drop the V-Star. And then for the second last card, he's so cute. It's Pancham. Look at how cute he is. So cute, guys. And then we got the Shinx. There you go. We got the Shinx. So that was the first card. I shouldn't show it. I'm gonna open the rare pack and then leave you guys to the special ones because the special ones are really rare. Move that box out of the way. With all the packs I got, bro. If you like my content, please subscribe. If you don't, you don't, don't worry, up to me. It's up to you guys. If you like my content, share. Share. It's my first day. I'm sorry. And share or like. If you don't, again, I don't really care. You guys do you. I'm doing me. And so we got the scout rep. The nice scout rep. Ooh, we got the slicer. Wait, is he? No, he's not rare at all, but we got the Manonga. What the heck is the Manonga? Oh, we got the young goose. The young goose. Very funny. And then we got the cherubim. Looks like a berry. A blueberry that turned pink. Right. So we got an energy. I don't really care for energies. You know what energy is? Oh, if you guys like energy. I don't know what energy is, and I'm supposed to be a Pokemon fan. Wow. So yeah, we got the rescue carrier, the Bisharp, the Graveler. Ooh, the Graveler. A very good Pokemon. And for my last two, which should be the best, I don't know if I did it correctly though, the trick. And ooh, we got the Lunatone, a special one, and it's 1 star. Look at this, boys. Look at it. Look at this. Look at that, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna, even though my name's Game Legend, of course I'm gonna do